want to create a function called greetings, and I want to be able to input a name and my function say hello to that name. I'm first going to create a parent div to put all of my components in there. Then I'm going to create an input and h5 tag. So whenever something is written inside of my input, I would be able to see it in my h5 tag. I want this name to be dynamic, so whenever something is entered inside of my input, I want to show it here. That means that I have to have a variable and replace the name with the variable. If I want to be able to display the variable changes in my H5, I have to trigger a re-render in React. That will be done in several ways. One of the ways is to use useState. So now I'm going to create my variable using useState. My useState returns an array to me. The first one is a variable, and the second one is a function. With this function, I will change the value of the variable. Also, I will pass a parameter to useState, and that parameter is the initial value of the name. Here, I'm passing an empty string. I want my user to be able to change the name, so I have to do that through an input. In order to track the changes in input, I gotta have to use a function called onChain. I'm going to call this input handler. Now I'm going to define that function. Whenever something changes in input, I will receive an event from it. And that event have all of the information from the input. The one that I'm interested in is under event.target.value. That will be the value that is inserted in the input. Now all I have to do is to change the value of the name using setName. This line of code means whatever is written inside of my input, it's going to be under events.target.value, and I will set the state of the name using the function setName. Now all I gotta do is to change this name with the variable that I have here. And that means I have to put curly braces around it so you'd understand that it's not string. Now that my name is referring to this variable, let's check and see how it works. As you can see, anything that I put in the input is going to show in the H5 below.